Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to cover combinations. So the game plan is to go over the Explorer, talk about what combination is, and then go over some examples. So let's begin with the Explorer. So suppose there are 6 people: Clarissa, Leslie, Herb, Isaac, Lily, and Jesus. What is the number of permutations, all the possible ways in which we can place these 6 people in 3 chairs? So I'm going to go about this problem by simply using placeholders. These are my 3 chairs, and now I have a total of 6 people. So for the first chair, I have 6 possible ways in which I can choose someone to sit there. And then once someone is sitting here, we only have 5 people remaining to sit on the second chair. And then once we have someone sitting in this chair and in this chair, we have 4 people remaining to sit in the last chair. And once we have our placeholders filled in order to get all possible ways, we just get the product of these 3 numbers. So 6 times 5 times 4. So here 5 times 6 is 30. And then 30 times 4 is going to give us a total of 120. So we have 120 permutations. Distinct ways in which we can sit and rearrange these people. We could have also set this problem up as a permutation problem using that formula. So we would have noticed that this is the same thing as 6p3. And then here we would have gotten 6 factorial all over 6 minus 3 factorial. And then here we would get 6 factorial over 3 factorial, and then we would expand 6 up until we get to 3 factorial because we want the denominator to cancel. And we get the same exact thing, 6 times 5 times 4. We get 120 permutations. So you could have done it in both ways. Since here I didn't specify how to go about doing this problem, you can choose to either do common sense or apply the formula that you learned in the previous lesson.